Hello guys, today we are going to learn about usage of was or were. We use was with subjects like I, he, she, it, and then singular noun. Singular means only one. We use were with subjects like you, we, they, and then plural nouns. Plural means more than one. Was and were, they are also called to be, and then we use that for past tense. This is the past tense of is, am, are. We use is, am, are with to be, but this one is for present. How about the grammar rule for was and were? We use subject plus was or were plus adjective, noun, noun phrase, prepositional phrase, and then verb plus ing. If we use subject plus was, were, and verb plus ing, we call this past continuous tense. Now let's get started with answering these questions. Number 1. I blank tired yesterday. What is the subject? Yes, I. So we have to choose was. I was tired yesterday. Number 2. She blank at the park last Sunday. Last Sunday, it signifies that this is in past tense. And what is the subject? She. So we answer she was at the park last Sunday. Number 3. We blank very busy. We is the subject, so we answer we were very busy. Number 4. He blank not late this morning. This morning signifies this is in past tense, and there is not, which is negative. So we have to choose the subjects only. The subject is he, so he was not late this morning. Number 5. It blank sunny yesterday. Yesterday signifies that this sentence is in the past. So what is the subject? It. It was sunny yesterday. Number 6. My keys blank on the table. Keys. So singular, it's key, but with keys, so it's plural. The subject, my keys. Since this is plural, so we have to use were. My keys were on the table. Number 7. My parents with S. So it's plural again. Because the singular one, or if we want to write only one, parent. But this one is my parents, so plural. My parents were happy yesterday. Yesterday signifies this is in past. Number 10. You blank at the zoo last Saturday. Last Saturday signifies this one is in the past. So what is the subject? You. So we answer you were at the zoo last Saturday. Number 11. They blank or blah blah playing outside when it started to rain. What is the subject? They. So we answer they were playing outside when it started to rain. Number 12. My sister blank studying for her exam when I came. What is the subject? My sister. My sister, singular, only one, because without S. So my sister was studying for her exam when I came. Number 13. Tim and his brother blank at a restaurant last night. The subject, Tim and his brother. So blah 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 and blah blah blah. Plural. Always plural. Then we have to use, yes, were. Tim and his brother were at a restaurant last night. Last night signifies this one is in the past. Number 14. The weather blank beautiful yesterday. Yesterday signifies that this sentence is in the past. What is the subject? The weather. The weather, singular. Because if we replace with a pronoun, it becomes it. So we have to use was. The weather was beautiful yesterday. Number 15. The cat blank under the table. The cat, only one, singular. If we replace with pronoun, it becomes it. And of course, if it's it, we have to answer with was. The cat was under the table. Now I have a challenge for you to answer. My friend blank waiting for me. What is the answer? Was or were? Please answer in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.